What you doing? Where's your bike though? You know this is a motorcycle event, right?
Yeah.
So, where's your bike, man?
Underground.
What's up with the hat? So I haven't ridden my bike in about 6 months now. But today I'm going to try to get back on the saddle. Although I'm on a different bike than mine, I'm gonna try to see if I can make this work. And I've got Vlad Chivu, the Romanian national road racing champion, with me here. He's probably going to be laughing his ass off. Yeah, so it's been a while and I don't really know this bike, but still I'm having fun. I'm always excited to jump on a new bike. I'm not gonna be very fast as I'm still learning how to ride a bike. But yeah, and I've got several people waiting behind me. That's even better. And I think I've gone the other way. Yes, I've gone the other way. No, this is horrible. This is a different kind of motorcycle riding school. That's its name actually, Scoala Moto Altfel, with Marius doing all sorts of activities with his riders, going out for rides, teaching them how to approach corners and be safe in traffic. I hope this lady in front doesn't embarrass me too much. This time I need to get that roundabout right. I've been missing it twice in a row now. Should always take it easy the first time out, because you tend to lose some of your reflexes, or at least lose sight of how you should ride a bike over the winter season. So always play it safe. If you want to go fast, just go to your local racetrack. Never go fast on the street. You never know what can happen. And I've seen that happen many times before. Vlad's a good example of that. He had a big crash about a year ago, and he's still struggling to recover after that happened. I've got a big plan regarding a very special motorcycle that has a rotary engine, because after all, we're here on Brotorheads and you want to see rotary content. But before we get to that point, I need to polish my skills a bit, because riding a rotary bike with over 200 horsepower is definitely a scary thought. Although I might imply the use of a professional rider for that test. Still, I'm not going to divulge more information. And I've gone the other way once again. That's awesome. Just going to skip that one and go for this one. I remember this was quite painful when I was trying to get my motorcycle license, doing roundabouts, but it's not that, doesn't feel that difficult anymore. The more seat time you get, the easier it will be like for you to ride around on your bike. Definitely the best advice I can give you right now is don't start on a big bike, start on a small bike, one that's not going to scare you, because if your bike scares you, you'll never be able to master controlling it. And remember, going in a straight line doesn't mean you can control your bike. Tackling corners like these at high speed, that's what that means. Okay, so attempt number 3. Don't forget to go into the roundabout, Dragos. Yes, try not to forget. Now I can see the roundabout. Always tilt your head towards the direction you're trying to go to. Otherwise you'll end up with point fixation and you don't want that. Using the rear brake to slow my bike down. Also using the clutch in, clutch out, to adjust the speed and to maintain the stability of the bike. You have to be leaned over, not too much, but yeah, don't listen to me, just go up, go outside, set up some cones and try it for yourself. I recommend you practice your skills as often as you can. Just be sure to pick a safe environment where you can't get hurt. Always wear your protective gear. When I'm riding on the street, I'm always fully geared. I feel a lot safer that way. Trying to work with your body, tell it which way the bike needs to go. Lean over and look through the corner to tell your bike where it should go. Use the pegs, use your weight, Be calm, be assertive, and just work that clutch. Give it some stability. Yeah, so apparently I'm not as fast as I thought I was. Well, doesn't mind, doesn't matter. As long as I'm safe, the bike's safe, and I've got the footage to show you so you can laugh. So hey, small step for me today, bigger step tomorrow. Who knows, maybe in a year or two I'll be riding super bikes, testing on racetracks outside the country. I don't think I'll ever be as fast on a motorcycle as I am on four wheels, but as long as you're having fun, who's keeping track, you know what I mean? If you know what I mean. Okay, so this is going to be my last one. I think the bike's overheated a bit. Round and round and round and round, round and round and round. I think Vlad's fed up with. Time to park it.